Welcome to another video of Truck Movers Undecking with your host, Manny Santos. So today we're going to teach you how to install an axle. What you need is this magnet tray. I recommend you get it. And this magnet pin, because those little nuts and socket and the washers tend to fall in the oil pan. And a 15/16 socket, and in this situation, not all the time, a 5/8 deep impact socket to take this bad boy off. Okay, so here we go, like so. This should pop right off, like so. And we take these bad boys off, so we're gonna switch our 5/8 and move it back over to 15/16. Alright, we're gonna have a hard time with the oil pan on this one. Oh, I guess not. Alright. Oops. We're gonna install these nuts. They didn't tighten them up too well. Now we get our little magnet here. Start picking up these nuts. Pick up your nuts. All right, now we get these little bad boys here. These little rings. Go on to that. You're gonna need them. This is the best way to get them because I'm gonna make a YouTube channel, I think. Truck Movers Undecking United. No, I don't know. All right, now for these bad boys. I hate these things. Shout out to Fata, my dispatcher, the man. Man, this little magnet sucks. That's what I get for paying $2 for it. I should get the good one, the Craftsman. I just thought it was convenient because it's small. But it sucks. Don't get it. This comes off like so for all you rookies out there. Then you let all the oil fall into the oil pan. Usually you go inside the shop or the dealership asking for an oil pan because the last thing you want is all that oil dripping all over the place. They don't like that. All right. So now we got our axle. Here's the hard part. Okay. So, see how you push down and inside it lifts up? It needs to go in like that. Okay, because if you push just direct like that, you're never gonna, what's it called? You're never gonna get it in. So you're gonna have to, when you're pushing it in, you press down and then go in. So let's give it a shot here. It's gonna take a few times, but we'll get it. I'm gonna have to get this oil pan out the way, but I'm gonna let it fall on this here, and I'll just pick it up here in a little bit. Just watch your fingers when putting it in. Get a little twisty sometimes. There it goes. Hopefully it'll go in. No. Oh. And we're almost there. There it goes. Once you see it hit against the bolt there, lift it up a little bit, and it slides in. Then you get these bad boys, put them back. Of course, I'll drop them. Gotta always drop the first one. All right, get your little magnet, little Harbor Freight magnet here. It sucks. Shout out to Rhonda. Team 2, what's going on? Team 2 gets it done. For those of you that don't know. Also to Left Lane Mafia, because that's what we do. Put this bad boy on there again. And what am I missing? The bolts. The bolts. It's a beautiful day today. It's a beautiful day for undecking. Of course, I'd rather be at home barbecuing, but gotta pay the bills. And this is a good load. This is going from Laredo over to Tyler, Texas. 2 drop here, and then the final goes over to Richland, Mississippi. I know I'm probably boring you guys, but this is how you put an axle in. Here's the thing, when you tighten these bad boys up, you tighten one here and then you go across, and then you go down and then you go up, and just always go across. Never tighten down like clockwise or counterclockwise. That's one. Nope. There you go, I'm messing up. I'd go clockwise to make sure I got everything tight. 1, 2, get in there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and one more. Now, usually these new 2022s, they come with a seal. I would have had to put the seal first before I put in the axle. But these don't come with external seals. They already have a built-in seal inside, so keep that in mind. And then we'll put this out the way. Put this back. Kind of get it pre-started there. Now be careful with this stuff, with your impact, because socket was on there. You don't want to tighten it too much. It's not a nut that goes on a tire. So just, you know, I usually just go to low and just slowly. You know, it's not a. Make sure it's on. Give it a little tug. That's it. Don't tighten it like if it was a nut on an axle. All right, guys. If you enjoyed this video, I'll I will make some more videos. This is my first video. Show you guys how to do Z-wings and piggybacks, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys.